Ocean Beach runs along the Great Highway of San Francisco, from the Cliff House to the north and Fort Funston to the south. In late spring and summer, this 3.5-mile beach is often enveloped in the characteristic San Francisco fog. It is always a popular spot for surfers, walkers, joggers, bonfire parties, kite flyers, horseback riders, fishermen, and dog walkers. The water can be quite dangerous for casual swimmers due to rapid undertow and cold water. But due to its easy access on sunny days, Ocean Beach is a very popular destination spot for family outings. Parking is plentiful at the northern end of the beach, but limited at the southern end. There are no formal picnic areas on Ocean Beach, but there are fire pits on the beach for nighttime enjoyment. There is a public restroom in the visitor center at the Beach Chalet restaurant across the Great Highway from Ocean Beach, and another at the Sloat Boulevard parking lot. There are duned areas that are separately signed and fenced and are closed to all recreation. There is a wildlife protection area for the western snowy plover from Lincoln Boulevard to Sloat on approximately 3 miles of the beach. Dogs must be on leash from July 1st to May 15th. Dogs can walk off-leash under voice control on the beach north of Stairwell 21 at Lincoln Boulevard and south of Sloat Boulevard year-round. Be sure to bring 1 leash per dog and doggy bags when you visit Ocean Beach.